Hi, I'm Cody, the sales director for When Living here in San Jose del Cabo, Mexico. It's my pleasure to introduce our Vice President of Lifestyle and Strategic Planning, Mr. Peter Bowling.
Cody, thank you so much, and it's really been a pleasure to also know you in the past, but also to have worked with you over the last 4 weeks, with you and your team. I can see how hard you've all worked so far and creating the magic in this beautiful place, and I am so happy to be in my new position, so thank you. I came here actually 15 years ago, knowing no one, and made Cabo San Lucas my home. I came, first of all, to launch Capella Pedregal, which is now the Waldorf Astoria, and had 5 amazing years living in Cabo San Lucas and meeting very, very special people. I was fortunate enough to be offered the managing director of one and only Palmia for 6 more years. And I actually then went to live in LA, and I was the managing director of the Waldorf in Beverly Hills. A role, a place, a location that I'd always dreamed of living in and being a part of. But I'm really a resort person and a residential community person. And so I came back to the Baja, to San Jose del Cabo 4 years ago. And I was very happy to relaunch and reposition the Viceroy Los Cabos, and really enjoyed it. My home is here, so I live 5 minutes from Campestri, and I had the privilege actually to meet ownership here, and I really enjoyed the connection of the meeting and the whole philosophy of this company, When Living and future projects moving forward. I am now operationally going to see and appreciate the building taking shape on a daily basis. And as it comes together, we're going to handpick a wonderful team of ladies and gentlemen who are going to really truly care for you and be a part of our family here together and really create the magic. This is a moment in time where all the wonderful things that When Living can offer you are on our doorstep. The ocean, the activities, the lifestyle, the restaurants in San Jose. Everything is 5 or 10 minutes from here. And yet you can come into your private space of When Living, enjoy the elements of nature, enjoy the service, enjoy these wonderful things that we're going to be able to showcase to you once you arrive at your property. When equals love, and love living, taking that time to choose the right location for you at the right time of your life is so important. And we all really look forward to love living and experiencing and creating the magic together now and moving forward in the future. So thank you everybody, and it's really a pleasure to be with you all. And Cody, thank you yet again, it's been a pleasure.
Thank you, Peter. We're so excited to have you. Welcome to the team.
Thank you.